Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called data normalization. Data normalization is generally considered the development of a clean data. Diving deeper, however, the meaning of or goal of a data normalization is twofold. Number one, it is the organization of data to appear similar across all records and fields. Number two, it increases the cohesion of entry types, leading to cleansing, lead generation, segmentation, and higher quality data. Simply put, this process includes eliminating unstructured data and redundancy in order to ensure logical data storage. When it is done correctly, you will end up with the standardized information entry. For example, this process applies to how URLs, contact name, street addresses, phone numbers, and even codes are recorded. These standardized information fields can then be grouped and read swiftly. Who needs data normalization, especially in the businesses? Every business that wishes to run successfully and grow needs to regularly perform data normalization. It is one of the most important things you can do to get rid of error that make running information analysis complicated and difficult. Such error often sneak up when changing, adding, or removing system information. When data input error is removed, an organization will be left with a well-functioning system that is full of usable, beneficial data. Benefits of data normalization can include more space with the databases, cramped with information, organization and elimination of duplicates frees up much needed gigabyte and terabyte of storage space, faster question answering. Speaking of faster processes, after normalization becomes a simple task. You can organize your data without any need to further modify. Better segmentation is one more result. One of the best ways to grow a business is to ensure lead segmentation. With the data normalization, groups can be readily split into categories based on titles, industries, you name whatever. So it's one of the basic preparation method in data analytics. Thanks for watching. Bye.